Did Grandma Penny get something good?
Say
Oh
thank you,
yeah,
Grandpa.
that's really
Say
good.
Grandpa Jimbo.
She doesn't know what to say. She's paying attention more to that present that she is ball.
What?
Ball.
Let's see the front. What is it?
Baby, Nick, turn it over.
Bring it over here. Let's see. Wow.
Please stop light.
Good job. And that's Uncle Adam and Auntie Carrie got you that one?
Yeah.
2 new babies.
Say thank you.